guys, we are going to make a fruit salad home style. So we have fruit cocktail, kaong, bean kaong, and coconut gel, and then condensed. Let's strain one by one. Kaong. So this is fruit salad with beans. And then nata di puto. So leave it for a few minutes until the juice well drip. So we have condensed milk. So what's inside here? There is pineapple, melon, there is papaya, and nata de coco, cherry, and kaong. So we just add condensed, and we have beans, 3 kinds of beans. This is very simple. We normally made this kind of food in Christmas season or in New Year's. So this is very simple dessert, but it's very tasty. So we can add little bit cheese. So if you want mayonnaise, you can add, or all-purpose cream. So just mix it. Yeah, there is banana also. Alright. It's ready, so we will keep it in the chiller for a few hours to make it cold.